Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, and I am coming to you on the Not Too Shabby channel today. And I have two fun fold cards for you today. They're the same. I have used the Cute Insects box, Insect Cuties box of the month. Now, this has sold out. The paper, however, has not sold out, and there are limited supplies. So if you'd like some extra paper, you got the box, you'd like some extra paper, or you didn't get the box and you would just like this wonderfully cute paper anyhow, then run on over there and get the paper because there's not much more. And I want to take a plug for the box of the month. They are selling out every single month. The only way to ensure that you're going to be able to get one is to subscribe. And I will have that subscription link down below as well. So I have come up, well, I didn't come up with it. I found it on a YouTube channel, and I do not remember the YouTube channel. I saw it and then I wrote down the measurements real quick. I subscribed to the person, and for the life of me, I cannot find the YouTube video. So I cannot credit this person with this fold. So anyhow, it is a gatefold card that's got a kind of a little different thing. So it looks like just a regular A2 top folding card. You open it up, and then you have a gatefold here on the inside. So I'm going to put this one together with you, and then I will show you my other card that I made. So I'm going to use some liquid glue. Since I'm not doing a voiceover, I'm just going to just put this video up as it is, and so I don't want to use my ATG gun because it's really kind of noisy. So what you do is you take a whole piece. I got this crooked, hold on a second. You take a whole piece of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, and then you score it at 5.5, and then you score it at 2 1/8 on each side. Then you fold it all. You cut off the top two sides that are scored at 2 1/8, and then you fold in the bottom side. So let me kind of show you what I mean by this. Okay, so this, if it was folded, and it's kind of hard to let me back out just a bit. It's kind of, so you would have these same two sides up here, and you cut those away. And then you've got your gatefold in the middle, or on the bottom. So, I decided to do one insect cutie, one with the summer flowers, and one with the busy bees. Now, I used scraps from the last card making session, from when I did all my cards for the hop. I have just used scraps, and I still have scraps, so I will probably be making some scrap cards later on. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and put my, since I've got it open, I'm going to go ahead and put my panel down in the middle. I hope everybody's having a great weekend. My father is coming for a visit for 2 weeks. I haven't seen him in like almost 2 years. From November of 2019 was the last time I saw my father. No, yes, last time I saw my father. So I'm very looking forward to seeing him. So who has come to visit, or who have you gone to visit since the since we've had, you know, a little more freedom? I'm going to put my little heart right there to have some interest on the inside. And then I'll go and decorate the outside of the card. So you see, you've got that. It's where you can write your message. And then you've got this fold on each side. And then we're going to have the front panel. Or have you gone anywhere since restrictions have been eased up a little? I still haven't really gone anywhere. I keep telling my husband I need to go to the beach. This Florida girl needs some beach sunshine. Okay, now I wanted a scallop square, but I didn't have one. I don't have a scallop square die, but I do have a scallop frame. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make do with what I have, because I really wanted a scallop something for this little butterfly. I'm going to put my frame down. Don't go crooked. Put my frame down. Got a little piece of paper hanging there. And then I'm going to put the insert, I'm going to just put some glue on the back of it and put it right back in there. And that's going to go that way. Gotta make sure I get it in there exactly right. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to use our little butterfly. And glue her right there in the center of that. Then this is a Hello die from Pink and Maine. I'll have all of these products linked in the description box down below, so you can check them out. You might want to definitely run to the Not Too Shabby store to grab your paper and anything else. And subscribe. You know, it's getting close to the next box coming out. So you're definitely going to want to make sure you get those boxes if you want them. So the best thing to do is to subscribe. We also have over at Not Too Shabby another subscription. It's a mystery collection. You get 6 pieces of paper, a 3x4 stamp or a 2x3 stamp, and several embellishments, and voila, you have enough stuff to make several cards. All right, I got a little bit too much glue going on here. I didn't get it quite centered, but that's okay. Remember, they're homemade cards. Okay, so we have, let me squeeze in a little bit. So we have hello and our beautiful little butterfly, and then you open it up, and this is a good way to use up some pattern paper. If you're trying to use up more pattern paper, this little fold card, and I'm not a really a fun fold card kind of person, and this one is very easy to make and very quick. So there's my butterfly card. And then for my bee card, I decided to go with two. I didn't have a scrap big enough to cover the front of this, so I just went with two different patterns there. And I did a scallop circle and put my honeybee, the bee that was in the honey pot, on the front. And open, I used that pattern that has the hexagons on it. And then open, and then use the pattern that has the honey pots and the little honey, I don't know what that's called, a little honey stirrer, and then the bumblebees, and then some dripping honey. And I see now I put that dripping honey on upside down because it's dripping up. Oh well. And then a flower too, so we can have an accent on the inside there. And so I will go back and I will add some gems to these cards, or some sparkle, and then they will be ready to wing their way to someone. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your support and your comments, and don't forget to visit the Not Too Shabby shop. See you in the next video. Bye.